Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get student discount on HP laptop. So first of all, open a browser inside your mobile or laptop and just go to Google and search here HP laptop student discount. So once you write down this query, that will give you a link directly to their website where you can just go and you just don't need to scroll or go through multiple pages. So once you're inside the HP official website, let it load. It might take a few seconds, so don't worry. And inside the just log into to the website. So once you're at the HP website, and make sure that go inside the laptop section and you see the section called student offer or something like that. Now if you don't see this section, just go back to your search query and try another link. Let's say this third one, student discount and deals for laptop and printers. This is the same website of HP as well, so don't worry about the website. And that took you directly to the HP for students exclusive discount on education store. As you can see, like sign up and get ready, gain access to exclusive limited time deals for students and educators on HP products. Just click on register or login. And if you're new here, that will ask you to make sure to sign up with your student account or student Gmail. Make sure to enter the email address, use password if you want to create an account, first name, second name, email, password, and click on create an account. And after that, inside this page, you will be able to see all the deals. But make sure that they will also verify that either you are a real student or not. So make sure to give the email address, which is like your student email. And after that, they might verify your like all the details. And once done, they will create an account for you. And after that, you can avail all the deals that are available for the students. So that is all about how you can do it.